Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So this is short messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Yes. And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And yes, ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, ito yung kanyang name sa FB. So, search nyo lang po ha. Oo. Paki-double check po ang kanyang spelling ha. Okay, ito po yung spell niya ha. So, yan. And yes, don't forget na mag-follow. Okay? And, yeah, about sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet, sa ating Evil Eye ring, sa ating all-in-one, diba all-in-one? Yeah, this is all-in-one. Okay. Itong ating Evil Eye necklace. So, kung may mga tanong, no, message lang po, ha, sa akin pong FB page for more info. So, ito siya. This is adjustable. And yeah, this is adjustable rin. Yes, and ito rin po, adjustable. Ha? Okay, so, yeah. Lahat. I-adjust natin. O, diba? Okay. So, let's start. Air signs. Okay. Okay. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong message for you? Messages for air signs, please. Air signs. The Six of Wands. This is attention. This is victory. Okay. All eyes on you. Parang ganyan. Paghanga. There is promotion. Success. Wait, tingnan natin. Yeah, strength. If you put effort, no, sa kung ano man, some of you, kung anong inyong mga pinaghihirapan, may magandang magiging resulta. Okay? Yes. May mga naiinggit, may mga nayayabangan sa inyo. I don't know why. May mga taong ginagawa kayong motivation. Yeah. Inspiration. Yes. Okay, what else for you, air signs? Meron ditong may bibigyan ng award. Yeah. Some of you, magiging okay na yung pagdating sa health. Okay, may progress. Ako nakikita pagdating sa health. Ace of Wands Universe, the Lovers Universe. Okay, so energy ng parang on and off. May chance kung may on and off kayo, nakakonect. Nandyan ang separation in the end. Okay, some of you may chance na makakuha uli. Oo, may darating uli na new love. Pero syempre, energy ng healing ang importante muna. Okay? So, yun po. Ha? Iba sa inyo, nag-i-stay sa isang connection na parang or pwedeng may nag-i-stay nga dahil kasi gusto kong siya yung jowa ko kasi maganda siya, gwapo siya. O, hindi nakakahiyang kasama. Mga ganon. Yes, real talk. Yung masayang kasama, sabihin natin nakaka-proud kasama. Iba sa inyo ganun ang nakikita ko. Or pwedeng vice versa. Pwedeng ganun yung jowakals mo pagdating sa'yo. So, they are proud. Pero ang nakuha ko rito, some of them, talagang they're into sex lang. Yes. The Star. Yeah. What's with this? The High Priestess. Healing, realization. Some of you, makukuha mo tong something like plans, no? Na nakatago. Mas maganda kung nakatago. Kung hindi mo muna ipapaalam, I think there's a surprise na pwedeng makuha. Okay? Meron ditong bigla ang darating, bigla ang uuwi. Yeah. Bigla ang uuwi. Galing malayo. Okay? Some of you, eto this is hindi normal, no? Iba sa inyo sabihin kung may kakayanan, no? Like, out of this world, no? Mga ganyan. Nakakita ko dito na pwedeng lalo yung mag-enhance. Okay? Mas mag-enhance. Next. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Yes. Okay. So, ano bang meron? Messages for fire signs, please. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. The Nine of Swords. Someone is afraid. Someone is overthinking. Ano to? The Six of Swords. May natatakot na lumayo. May natatakot na maiwan. Pwedeng air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Some of you are afraid pagdating sa changes. May mga sabihin natin may darating na pagbabago at makikita mo sa sarili mo na parang nakakatakot i-grab. Okay? May natatakot lumayo. The Three of Pentacles. Ten of Swords in reversed. An issue na pwedeng masusolusyonan. Meron ditong energy ng third party na hindi maalis-alisan. Yeah. Hindi maalis-alisan. Some of you, pwedeng pera lang to. Kaya hindi maalisan. Pera. Okay. Pagdating sa workplace, merong sabihin nating may mangyayaring pagbabago. Okay? May mangyayaring pagbabago. The Five of Cups. The Sun in reverse. May nalulungkot. Super. Pwedeng Leo. Sobrang bigat. Yeah, may nag-overthink. May nadidepress. Mafi-fix pa kaya? Someone is overthinking pagdating sa anak, sa bata, child. Sana may bumalik. Sana makasama. Parang ganun. May mga panghihinayang akong nakukuha rito. Panghihinayang. If ever, fire signs, okay. Kung sa tingin ninyo, meron kayong mga kailangang aksyonan nyo na. Huwag nyo nang hintayin na parang mag-regret pa kayo. No, in the end. Okay. So, there. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Ano ang messages for you, water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Messages, please. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. So, death in reversed. I repeat. Ooh, the devil. You have, I repeat, na mangyayari with a Scorpio or Capricorn. Meron ditong parang, meron naman kayong kinukuhang bato na ipupukpok na naman sa ulo nyo. Parang may ganyan. Some of you, pwedeng hindi mo lang talaga maalisan dahil nandoon na yung obsession. The Knight of Wands. The Queen of Swords. I'm seeing some of you na pwedeng mabibigyan ng, sabihin nating, pagkakataon na mag-travel. Okay? Yeah. Meron ditong mahuhuli. Like, ang tawag dyan? Aktuhan. May mahuhuli. Okay. So, ang hirap nitong lusutan kasi huli sa akto. Kung ano man to, hindi ko alam. Okay. May mabibigyan ng penalty. Some of you, may nakuha ko dito ha, like, pagdating sa road, nandyan yung, okay, lisensya. Okay, lalo na kung nakamotor. Oo, parang ganyan. Mas maganda kung ready lahat ng papeles mo na pwedeng hanapin, lalo na may mga checkpoint. I don't know. I'm channeling. Okay? You're the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So, nakakuha ko rito na pwedeng may nalabas na pera, ha? The Six of Wands in reverse. For fame, meron ditong gagastos para sa fame. May pagyayabang ako nakikita dito. Gagastos to get attention. What's with this? Some of you planning pagdating sa isang travel. Okay. Earth sign, fire sign. Parang gustong makuha yung attention mo. Lahat gagawin. Parang ganun. Okay, so there. Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay. Messages for Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Anong messages? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. The Ten of Swords. Some of you, this is an energy of healing. What's with this Ten of Swords? Yeah, the Ace of Cups. Yeah, this is healing. Okay. Focusing. Pagdating sa sarili, self-love, self-care. Yeah, it's time, no? I think this is the right time, if ever. Kung kailangan mo mag-heal, mag-heal ka. Simulan mo na. This is the right timing. Okay? Meron ditong person from past, na parang gustong magbigay uli ng new beginning or magbigay uli ng connection or, I don't know, like offering, no? Ten of Pentacles in reverse. What's with that? The Chariot in reverse. Some of you, pwedeng gagastos ka para sa sasakyan. Yes, specific po yun ha. Gagastos para sa sasakyan. Yeah, papagawa, parang ganyan. Okay? Some of you, hindi pa rin totally magkaroon ng improvement pagdating sa mga issue, lalo na pagdating sa family. There's an issue here. Meron ditong hindi makamove on. Pwedeng earth sign, pwedeng cancer. The Four of Wands. This is stability. Some of you, pwedeng magkaroon ng renovation. Iba naman, pwedeng lumipat ng bahay. Some of you, nandito yung energy ng kasal in the near future. The Eight of Wands in reversed. Okay, so sabihin nating may mga delay. Okay? Pagdating sa stability. Pwedeng may mga nakakaapekto sa ngayon sa current na kung anong sitwasyon mo. Okay? Pwedeng, yun nga, if you needs na talagang mag-focus sa healing, ganyan, mag-forgive, ganyan, magkaroon ng changes pagdating sa kaperahan, anything na parang kailangan mong baguhin. Kasi doon susunod ito. This is a higher vibration. The Four of Wands. Okay? From Ten of Swords to Four of Wands. Ang laki ng diferensya nan. Okay? Higher vibration ito. So, may something lang na nagkokos ng delay pagdating sa stability nyo. Yeah, see, the Ace of Wands is here. Energy ng new beginning. Energy ng, sabihin natin, clean slate. Like, back to zero. Kung ano mga kailangan mong baguhin. Okay? See, the Three of Cups. Energy ng victory. Energy ng, sabihin nating, success. Okay? Yung success nakasilip lang sa inyo. Sa nakasiwang na pintuan. Okay? It's up to you kung bubuksan mo or isasara mo. Parang ganon. Okay? So, yeah. Iba sa inyo talagang hindi pa totally nailelet go yung mga nagbibigay ng delay sa buhay nyo. Okay, so yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Earth signs, all signs. Okay, so again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.